Hey, good day, everybody. The March 2026 release of OpenBOM has a nice new feature to help you coordinate deleting of items and bombs and kind of help keep them in sync. I'm going to show you how that looks right now in this video. I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product here at OpenBOM, and I've got a couple of items that I built in Onshape, a couple of assemblies, and I just want to delete them and their item information. So I've used the function here to jump right to those items by clicking on the catalog list, and I've got one of them right here. I'm going to do a shift select and highlight a couple of those, and I'm in the item catalog. So here's the new behavior coming up. I'm going to remove these items, and I always get this notice, remove 2 items. When I check remove, OpenBOM now goes out and looks to see if there are any bombs or bomb types associated with those items. And I see, yeah, each one of these items has a bomb. And in OpenBOM, you want to keep those items and their bombs in sync. So if I'm going to delete the item, I want to delete the associated bomb. This function does that for you automatically. So here we go. Yeah, this is what I want. I'm going to click delete bombs. There we go. Each one of those bombs are deleted. The corresponding item is deleted. And our items panel will update. So that is item and BOM deletion. It's in the March 2026 release of OpenBOM. I'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.